Ladies and gentlemen, this is the video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the new adware called ElementBrowser. ElementBrowser is the adware targeting Safari, Google Chrome, and other browsers on Mac computers. ElementBrowser adware, once installed, may display its really intrusive advertisements while you surf the internet. ElementBrowser adware actually may also periodically redirect your browser to a lot of junk resources on the web. It will definitely slow down your Mac performance, so the quicker you get rid of this adware, the better. Right-click on it and move it to the trash. Also, in order to be convinced that your system is free of other threats, I recommend you to research the system with Combo Cleaner. Go to the website combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and start researching your system. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.